Hi, today's salad, what I'm preparing is, I will be showing here. Usually for a salad, I steam for a 2-3 minutes, and it should be a closed and a low flame cooking without a water because vegetable has itself a water. So here, see, I kept a rice, so below it red rice. So it's already my steaming is also done, so I will be taking out. See, because rice has a lot of B vitamins, so those vapors will be entering into these vegetables. See, you can see I'm not wasting any of the vapors. I'm not doing pressure cooker. In the vapors, BC vitamins are not going, fiber is not crushing, vegetables are still crunchy and soft. No, I'm not added any water for the vegetables. You can see the color of the vegetable is same, no change in the color of the vegetables. You can see the color of the vegetables is the same. So that is shows the phytonutrients. You are not burning the vegetables, means you are retaining all the vitamins and not overcooking. So even the green grams I use for a salads, little radish also I steam it. By steaming little, your phytic acid will go, so it will help for a digestion, and any pesticides will not affect much. For the acidity levels goes up if it is acid, pesticides are high. See, even all the colors are retained same. It is crushed, like, see, it won't be smashy. You can do a multi-layer cooking. No need to put, no need again one more time to cook vegetables separate rice. Just keep on the rice. So rice is rich in B vitamin, and those vapors, rice vapors, will enter into the vegetables. So it will add few more extra vitamins in your veggies. So this way, I will be daily. I prepare my salads. Now I will show how to marinate this salad. See, kids will not like that only, even if you steam it and all. So a little bit you need to do a trick, and there is a, but I do a marination, so like they like it. So I will show you how I will be marinate. Here I took a bowl, and this I will be adding a lemon. You can be adding in this the honey. Because of honey, that sweetness will be there, and it acts as a prebiotic. So it will be a good for digestion, for growing the good bacteria in your gut. So I am adding a honey and a little olive oil. This is olive oil. So olive oil will be a good fat. You are not burning the olive oil, then it will be a good. It helps for the absorption of fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin K. In your, like example, I'm taking a carrot. Carrot has a vitamin A, but without the fat, it won't be absorbable, converted into the vitamin A. So fat soluble vitamins are very much important. Like in the case of fat soluble, you need to add some fats. So here is a good fat, not like a burned fat and burned oil and all. So olive oil will act as a good fat. And using for chia seeds, I soaked for using fruits, but now I will not be adding the soaked dry chia seeds, like this only. So it is like a good fiber. Chia seeds acts as a fiber, good fat, and it is very good for digestion, and it has a little amount of the protein. And little to give the taste, I will be adding this mustard sauce. So you can salt, you need to add pink salt I use. So nicely mix this. The combination of all prebiotic, onions is there, again it is a prebiotic, honey, curds, fiber, soluble fiber, insoluble fiber, combination of all. So in this I will be adding the vegetables now. See, I steamed those steamed vegetables will be going. If you overcook, it won't be like, you can't easily marinate anything because it gets smashy. Because here these are still crunchy. You can see the sound of this because I not overcooked, just a steam we have to do. On rice I did for around 4 to 5 minutes. So onion will go in this. Onion acts very good for its digestion. Raw onion, it will be a good. And here a green gram, sprouted green gram, it will be a very protein rich. So whole lentils will be, this is a insoluble fiber. Vegetables acts as a soluble fiber. Honey acts as a prebiotic. Onion acts as a prebiotic. Chia seeds acts as both probiotic, and it acts as a fiber and good fat. Olive oil is a good fat. The combination of everything you are adding into this. So now you just mix it like this. Your kids also will enjoy because the sweetness of the honey will be overcooked, then it gets, because I did a closed cooking. You have to always steam the vegetables by closed cooking. Don't open, you are losing all your water soluble vitamins. Especially nowadays, a lot of people face a B vitamin deficiency. Actually, there are a lot of, in all vegetables, fruits, you get a B vitamins, but then also we are deficient. The reason is we open cook, we pressure cook, and everything we lose it. You can use sesame seeds also, but same. This is nice salad is ready now. That olive oil also gives a nice flavor. So this way you can enjoy the salads before your meal. Always prefer before your meal vegetables like the fiber acts a very good role, especially it helps to burn the fat when you add salads in the empty stomach. So you need to add the salads in the empty stomachs to burn a good fat and to create a base in your stomach, so that your body will be a little, because a lot of acids are running in your stomach layer. So because vegetables are alkaline in nature, whatever we cook, that is in a bit acidic in nature. So when you put vegetables in a nice base alkaline you're creating, so acid levels will be controlled, and vegetables will help for your nutrient absorption. Without fiber, if you're like salads, if you're taking the food, might be a 30-40% absorption of the nutrients, but with the fiber, with the salads, if you're taking, it will be around 80 to 90% of absorption of the nutrients, and it keeps for a longer period of time full. And because it slowly goes into the small intestine, it is because the fiber holds the food, and all the vitamin slowly enters into the bloodstreams, and it does not allow to spike up the blood sugar levels. It is very good for diabetic. Lot of benefits. You use it, eat mindfully, enjoy, no calorie count, enjoy the food but have first salads, then go for your main course. That's it. Have a nice lunch.
I am eating salad before meal.
I enjoy my salads before my meal.